Okay, we're going to start on the biscuits and gravy. We're going to use this Tennessee Pride hot and pan, a little bit of oil in there. We're going to brown. I use about half of this for this batch. Continue scraping and squeezing it down to get the oil out of there. So now it's really turned dark, almost crispy, and a lot of oil out. We're ready to add flour. Half a cup of flour.
But we're gonna do a little bit at a time. Okay.
There you go. How long are you going to do this? What are you looking for? You just...
Right consistency.
And what's that going to be?
Well, this is still a little thin. Half a cup.
So you did half a cup, you're going to do some more?
Depends, you know, the oils, how much oil coming out from my sausage, you know. That makes it a little different. Try it again.
Did it cook very long or no?
No. Just cook a little bit. A few minutes.
So what you want milk next? Let me go get that. Add salt and pepper?
Yeah, just like... Okay. Okay.
Milk? You tell me how much.
Go ahead. Now we're going to high.
We run high. We run medium before. Tell me when to stop.
More. More. You know your gravy is gonna be that little. Okay.
Good.
Let's first cook and see.
So you just stir it all up? And now, after a couple minutes, it's starting to boil. You gotta reduce the heat or anything? Or
I will, but I'm gonna put more milk now because we're not eating right now.
So you're gonna start out thin because we're gonna be a while?
Yeah. And you know, just like a flour, it's soak it in the water, it will get thicker, you know.
Because the boys are not going to be here for another hour, probably.
On a low, okay?
You put it on low on the small one?
Yeah. Otherwise, it keep boiling too much.
Okay. Okay, we covered it up because we're going to let it just sit there and on low for a while. So we've been stirring this once in a while, and it's ready now. We're going to get the biscuits ready. Okay, you're gonna fry an egg to go with it, right? Get the temperature, something medium. And you got oil on here. There's our biscuits. You said there's another what?
What?
16 biscuits later.